This is the third and final episode in the Wix creation trilogy of tutorials. This one will focus on adding apps to your site and adding the final touches just to make your website just perfect. In this third Wix tutorial, I'm going to look at adding a few more elements to my site, but also I'm going to have a look at apps, adding apps to it as well. So contact forms, we finished off there. Next one is embed. Embedding is hugely popular, and we're going to see this later on when we start adding Google Maps, when we start adding YouTube videos. You can see all of these options in here. They're very straightforward. You can even embed a site in here as well. SoundCloud, iTunes, all of these are different options that we can add when we start adding audio and visual to our site. Next one is a blog. And what we're actually going to do is we're going to add Tumblr to our site. And you'll see how that works as well. And how useful it can be to add a Tumblr blog to our site. But we'll add that when we get to the Tumblr section. Bookings forms, very straightforward as well. Membership, events, and content manager. All of these are very useful little additions to the Wix catalog over the last year or so. So some of them are very, very useful. Some of them do require you to kind of subscribe to certain things, but most of them don't require that. Okay. The next section here is I'm going to have a look at is just adding what's known as the Wix app market, and in here there's lots of really cool things that we can add. Again, some of these things we'll be adding over the next little while when we start adding again Tumblr and Instagram and all of those different things in there. So they're just very cool ways of adding other little things to your another interaction and behavior to our site. So some very nice stuff in there that we'll add over the course of the next number of tutorials when we start adding all the other elements. So while we're kind of getting close to finishing up on Wix here, we're going to be using Wix during every stage of our development throughout here. So when we add Facebook, I'll be showing you how that works with Wix. When we add Instagram, when we add, our blogs, which is Tumblr, and when we add Twitter, I'll be showing you how to add a Twitter feed. So in most of our elements from now on, we'll be coming back at the end of the element once we've looked at how it's created, managed, maintained. We'll also look at how you can embed it into and integrate it into the website itself. So, the app market here is very, very good. So if I came along here and just say I was looking for something to do with Instagram, all right? And you can see Instagram feed. If I go in there, it'll provide you with a very simple little Instagram feed. Okay. Now, as I said, you can add it to it. You can tell, it says where free plan available, 7-day free trial. So you can see what you need there. So in our case, the Instagram feed here, which is free to Wix, is perfect for us. So we'll add those at a later date. Okay. When we finish up on Instagram. So I think, that's pretty much, all the things that we need to do to get us going on this. It's a very, very straightforward little tool, and very, very useful for us to play around and to help us to create a very quick, code-free website.